Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this Henry T-shirt. I use my most comfortable old T-shirt to make this pattern. Just hold in half and make a pattern. This is front piece. Fold in half, right side up, draw the line from the center. The first line from the right side, you attach that line onto the line you draw on the front piece, just like that. Use the pin to secure them and make sure the line is all attached. After you pin them together, you stitch around the line, only 5" from top. This is what it's like. From top to down, only 5" and then stitch go up. Then, in between stitch, which means the green line, you have to cut it. Obviously, only until you hit the line, which is 5" from top. And don't cut the slit. After you cut it, you flip the rectangle into the back side, just like that. And 2/3 of the rectangle you fold in half again. And I use the iron to make it really crisp, which is easier after that. Now you stitch around those rectangle, but you have to be very careful. Do not sew them together. If you sew them together, you can't open. So make sure you stitch around, however, do not sew together. So watch the video carefully. Now, front and back piece, right side together and sew them together only shoulder part. Now, sleeves. Body parts and sleeves right side together and use to pin to secure them just like that and sew them together. Now, side part. Right side together again. Make sure armpit are matched and side of the body and sew them down from the sleeve to bottom. Then sleeves and bottom of the body, just hem it. Now, let's attach the collar. Measure around the neck and I cut the fabric 2-inch wide and 2-inch shorter than actual neck length. Then fold in half and 1 inch from end. You draw the half U shape, then cut both ends. Exactly same shape. And again, right side together and roll edge up, then attach around the neck. Just like that. Use pin to secure and sew around. After you attach the collar, you put the seam down, then top stitch around the neck again, so the seam will be kind of secure. After you make buttonholes and attach button, that's about it. Enjoy!